Hi everybody, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today I have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E300 4MATIC. This is a black exterior and a brown and black interior. Does have a sunroof as well. Let's go ahead and come around to the back here. See the 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz, and E300 badging. And we have a power opening and closing trunk. Blind spot assist. Driver seat controls, the Burmester sound system, driver door controls, steering wheel. We have 21,446 for miles here. And push button start. So our Mercedes-Benz shifter here. And of course, navigation, radio. And our backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos of this vehicle or any of our others, check out our website, feldmannimports.com.